Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm at a different locations, so this is going to be amazing, outstanding. Today I'm at the Shirley Park. Yeah, it's going to be amazing, outstanding. So I'm here, we're going south, explore this place, Shirley Park. So it's going to be so fast, and this is a big area, so it's all going to go two locations. One by here, and one, I'll show you guys the other side. So I'm going to go there as well, and I'm going to explore this area first. And this area as well. So this is a big area. This is so big, it's a park. So the next location, I'm going to be going over there. So let's start from here first before going any further. So it will be a new parking area, this place. So yeah, let's go from here and start the video of this area. And also, I made a video here before that. Last time after like this video, guys, I don't know why it's so weird, but I don't know. And there's another creepy area, so not creepy, good place to be. It is a fantastic day, so it is a cool day, nice and sunny day today. So hope it's not raining. Still, it's not raining today, so it's gonna be quite chilly and warm day. It's gonna be cold in the night as well, so let's continue walking this way. So I never came here before, so I did before last time. I never get the chance to film this area properly, so here I am now. So this is the place you want to be. Yep, outstanding place. So yeah, there's a lot of mud here as well. A bunch of mud around here as well. So be careful when you're walking, guys. If you want to come here, free entry, free walking. So it is a cool place to be. You want to be, guys. So we got two stairs, one there. So this is a cool place to be to explore. So let's go here first. Let's see what's down here, guys. And yeah, gonna be amazing, guys, for you. So I'm here to explore this place, guys. So don't mind this. I'm walking upstairs now, and we walk the other side. There's nothing here, so let's go back down and walk the other side over there. And yeah, show you around every single place. Yeah, never seen before. So yeah, it's also to be middle to free area. I thought it would be a nice little good place, really awesome. And yeah, let's explore the place first down here. Look a little bit further. Let me see how it is. It's a middle tunnel. Look at the tunnel there, look at it. Show you. See? Down it. Anything there, so yeah, guys, I really want to go to that abandoned tunnel to explore it. So we'll do a cool video for you guys. So yeah, nothing much here. Now I'm gonna go up the stairs. So I went down first, then I went to the second one. First of all, let's have a look here. What is down here? All this. There's nothing much. We have to look down here as well. So, but the heck is that little free bridge. It's stupid. Anyhow, there's nothing nice. Just go around, taking a shortcut. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to take a shortcut. I'm going to walk this area first. So, walk up the stairs. Let's see what's up here, guys. And yeah, it is what it's supposed to be. A little frosty, guys. What's up? Oh, that's why they're walking this way, guys. You have to walk all the way here to here. So why? You could easily slip down. And what's down here, guys? The same thing. Slip down, slipping down. You're gonna hurt yourself. But you don't want to go down. Go safely, guys, like this. Safely go down. Don't hurt yourself. Like this. And here we are, guys. We don't want to film from here. So there's a tree broken over there. Look, broken enough, cut enough or something. So weird. So let's go this way. So there's a lot to explore over here. So today, guys, I'm gonna do some forest video for you. But yeah, I've been doing forest video for a long time. So why not do it again for the last time for the forest video. This forest is not long, so it is like a mini forest. It is a cool day. Yeah, but the trees broken enough. I don't know what happened here. You never gonna walk this way. Really, it is down here. So I'm gonna go back up there, make a video here. So I'm gonna go to the other side as well. There's more. We're gonna walk this way first, but it is down here. Let's have a look, guys. There's a bunch of like stings around here, so be careful when walking, guys. Don't sting yourself. You'll have road as well. Oh. Okay. So cool. Also the big yeah boy, you can make a jump here. I don't fall in here, guys. Look at this. Don't fall in the water, otherwise you'll be doomed up. Yeah. What are you? What is this doing here? Oh, it's a leaking down here. That's why it's walk. The water is coming this way. So it's blocking this area, so this way here. Let's go this way. So I'm going to do a little jump after this. Now let's go this first. Get the main first. The tree's broken down. Cut it off. Yeah, there's no tree here. Alright, we'll do the end first. Should be a... Come on. Should make a bridge here. Should make a bridge here so people can walk past this. There's nothing much here, guys. See how they see. A bunch of water here. Cool water. So we head back where I came from now. Let's look down here and see what's up here. What's up this place. And show you guys the view. I'm just gonna show the view, so I'm gonna go to the other side. So, there. So there's a bit of forest down here. I'm gonna head there right now. I'll have to cross the road again. God damn it. So you can see the beautiful flowers here. Beautiful flowers down here, guys. Have a look. How nice. I'm gonna do it for 60. This. Look guys. Amazing flowers here. Alright, let's Walkway. So I'm going into this area now. Let's watch. Here we are. Just like the same. Okay, every time we come here. Okay, so how is this? Bunch of water down the little bridge there, I guess that's down for me. That is not abandoned. So, you know. Let's continue walking this way. So this way. So let's see what we can find here, look guys. Every time I come here, give me spooks area. This area is so spooky. Every time, you know, some people walk this way, and some people are driving bike here, give me a creepy area. Give me a jump scare for no reason, you know. So down here guys, that area is done, so let's go to the place there, so I'm gonna walk this way. So guys, I just made a new video of the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War zombies outbreak zombies. So I did that today. I did a live stream. It's a really cool video I made. So it's a fantastic one. Go check it out right now. I'm gonna put the link down below. So if you have to check that video, guys, zombie video of gaming. So let's explore this young forest. Yeah. Anywho, about the cool area and something down there. Alright guys, let's head back this way. Continue going over straight and have a look around. There's a little mini flower there guys. Look at that now guys, flowers are fantastic. Alright, let's head this way now. It's okay, yeah guys. There's nothing much. Alright guys, would it be better to do an evening video in the dark? Because later on it's gonna be dark, so that's the way to do a video, a spooky video. What I did last time, so a lot of people really enjoy a dark video, so I'm gonna do that very soon, so Yeah, let's continue to go this way. That's the gate. Bring it over here. Go around here. Oh yeah. Thank you for that. Thanks. Okay, let's go this way. Oh yeah. Move it straight. No, just now turn around. Walk from here. Walk this way now. And do some cool video here. So let me check the microphone real quick. Hold on. So last time I came here, sitting here chilling for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I've been here sitting here. Oh, nothing much here, guys. I made it from all this side to side. So there's another park down there, all the way down there. So let's go this way. Right. Meadow, water coming in down. Very cool. Let's get the hell out of here now. Also, end the video there. I'm gonna go back to the bench and the video there. The camera is video. Alright guys, we're almost at the end, so let me show you right now. Let me show you. We just made it to the end. I don't know. I just had just a little mini tunnel. They let it fall right there. So let's get that out of here. Go back. Look at this guys. So cool. And yeah. Very cool place to be guys, very cool place to be. And then also, I'm going to end the video here right now. So the next location is going to be another park around here somewhere. So I'm going to show you next time. So when we get there, it'll be late today. It's the Wednesday today. Yeah, it's going to be dry today. I don't know about tomorrow. So let know guys. So yeah, on that note, make sure like, comment, subscribe if you want more crazy video like this. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.